Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. That's my buddy Ron. We just assembled the 630 Simple Glide fat tire. What's that?
Front fender's rubbing.
Oh, it is rubbing a little bit.
Where at?
Right here on this edge, probably. Try that. See if that was enough to tweak it. Maybe. All right, so anyway, that's the 630 fat tire Simple Glide. This is a 750 watt motor in the rear. What is that? I think it's a 20 amp hour battery, if I'm not mistaken. It's got a big comfortable seat on it. Very adjustable. You can slide the seat back and forth. You can adjust the handlebars up and down. Plus you can tilt the handlebars, which I really like. So it's a really nice handlebar stem. Like that. Looks like top speed is about 20 miles an hour. There goes Ron cruising on down. Whoa!
Just wanted to check it.
He's checking. We're doing a stability test here today. Hey, that was pretty good. All right. There's front tire coming off the ground a little bit on that side.
I didn't lean.
I think you're heavier on one side than you are the other.
I am.
That's what it is. You're lopsided.
It's this Band-Aid.
That actually looks pretty good. That's a good looking trike. First impressions is it's performing well. Where's he going? Come on back, Ron. Zoom. Well, you know, it is about lunchtime. Maybe he went to the house. Here he comes. Yeah, that's a fun little trike. Nice. All right, guys, now we have the fat tire and the skinny tire side by side. We don't have the basket on this one yet. We do have it. We just didn't install it. But here's a couple things to look for. Some things that are different. So we got the skinny tire with a motor in the front versus no motor in the front versus a fat tire. Headlights are the same, baskets are the same, the head tube looks like it's the same, the stem looks like it's the same on both, same handlebars. So all that stuff is good. Moving on down to the side here, we do have a foot platform now, right here, that you can fold down where we don't over there. We've got a completely different style seat. I like this better because it's got the mesh, but this seat and frame does seem to sit up a little taller. We do have the motor back here where we don't over there. And moving on around, the tires sit a little taller even though they're both 20-inch. We got beefier fenders, a beefier bracket than what's over here on that one. Same battery, same everything else on the rear end, except this one has this little guy right here for like a flagpole or something. We don't have it over here, which is good. And moving on over here, let's take a look at the cockpit here area. We have same throttle, same grips, same everything there. It looks like we got a different display. So on the thin tire we got a smaller display, on the big tire we got a much newer display right in the center, which I like that. Yeah, so
This little flip up.
oh yeah, and this footrest does flip down, which is a nice little feature. So if you don't want to pedal or can't pedal, you can just rest your feet on that and just kind of cruise around, which is kind of nice. Yeah, so that's it. So we're going to be bringing you a lot of videos about the new 630 fat tire Simple Glide. So make sure you subscribe and be looking for those videos, and we'll see you in the next one.